Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to make blueberry muffins because company's coming and I want to make them extra special. So I got some little extra ingredients that I'm going to put into the blueberry muffins. But before we go there, I want to let you know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have a variety of videos on growing vegetables in containers, meditation videos, product reviews, and other easy to prepare recipes. So come on, let's go and make those blueberry muffins. We're going to start by adding all the dry ingredients first. So I have 3 cups of flour. I have salt. Now I'm going to give you all the ingredients in the description box. That was sugar. This is baking powder. So I'm going to stir that in, get that nice and mixed. Part of baking is making sure things are well incorporated. So we're going to blend this in. Now we're going to put the wet ingredients together, which is going to be some milk. This is regular whole milk. And my secret weapon, I have in here a mixture of almond and vanilla extract, both of them together. Put that in there. I got a couple of eggs. I'm going to mix that up real quick. Pour that in there. And next I have some regular oil. This is vegetable oil, but you can use canola oil. You're probably like, where's the blueberries? Well, I'm going to get the blueberries in a little bit. And now we're going to mix in the liquid into our little flour mixture. And I'm just going to use a spatula. You don't really need your hand mixer or your big stand mixer for this, because we're just going to blend it together nice. Now when you're mixing, make sure you get down and get the bottoms and the sides and incorporate all that good stuff together. You don't want to leave out anything. You want it to be nice and mixed. And we're not going to beat this, really smooth like a cake batter. We just want things to come together. Now I'm going to get my blueberries. I'm using frozen blueberries, but you can use fresh blueberries as well. Here are my yummy blueberries. Now I do like to buy blueberries when they're on sale, and that way I can freeze them and pull them up to use later. So these are those nice big plump blueberries, and I have about 2 cups in here. Now you could throw another handful in here if you want, but I'm thinking that is looking like enough blueberries. Well, I might throw in a few more. So I'm going to go ahead and load up my muffin tins. So you see, I filled them up pretty full. I want to say they're almost 3/4 full, or maybe a little fuller, because I'm making these nice and big for, again, for companies coming. So I want to be impressive. I don't want I don't want to serve them little wimpy muffins. But this is making a dozen. But if you made them the normal size, where you fill them up about 2/3 cup full, you can get an extra 6 muffins out of here. But I'm going to put these in a 400-degree oven, and I'll meet you back when they're done. Here they are out of the oven, all nice and brown and delicious. Let me pick up one for you. Look at that. Bursting with blueberries and flavor. Don't forget, we put not only vanilla, but also some almond extract. And you could put some butter in here, or you could just eat it just like that. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye bye.